Second shot clock. Rebound number 9. Rebound 33. Still 93.
Parang bumagal siya gawin.
92 points.
Parang bumagal naman yan.
Rebound, wing 7. Zero time, 2 points, assist, 16.
Masa.
Rebound, 0-5.
Get back, guys, get back! Hey, get back, get back, get back!
Foul.
Masa foul.
73.
First.
Time out. Dart.
Tayo sa ano? Parking.
Del Di Guzman pala.
Ha?
Del Di Guzman ito.
Hindi, buray mo yung mga...
Wala, binara
Back to the ball game.
Hindi, may 2 points siya, di ba?
Ano pangalan na?
2 points siya. Naka-score siya kanina eh.
Nenti Guzman.
Yun na eh. Naka-score yan, di ba?
Lagyan mo.
Ba't wala na, yun na.
Hindi, dito mo.
Ay, mamaya na. Oo, siya nga naka-score eh.
Sino yun?
Ano nilagay mo?
Ayan, tapos burayin mo. X. Ayan. Tapos, pasok mo si Neil.
Isa.
Hindi na kasi di ba bawas yung score dito eh.
Pasok, pre.
Pasok isa.
Pasok ulit.
Static.
Slow down, slow down!
Defensive rebound. 29 points.
Uy!
Out of bounds. Second shot clock. Rebound 0. Ten second shot clock. 5 second shot clock. Block. Shot clock 2 seconds. 2 second shot clock. Defensive rebound 23. Foul. 27.
First foul.
First personal foul.
Back to me, guys. Come on, get back. Hey, who's in the back? Who's in the back? Back right, back right.
Tapos natin.
Simula eh. 5:30 na tayo simula eh.
Foul. 73.
73.
Dalawa na.
Dalawa.
Second foul, number 73. Second personal foul.
Kapag sa mga ano yan. Pinipili pa silang bago, no?
Daming bago.
Bumili sila. Pwede ano yan? Hindi lang benta lang.
Rebound 33. Still 93.
Come on, guys. Speed up.
Block. 73. Zero 5 points. Assist 27.
7.
Tres.
10 shot clock. Rebounding 7.
Get back, get back. Roll, roll. Get back, take it back.
2 points. Change by. Change by. Change by.
Senses.
Ay ano?
Kerbasi. Si Tria, tanggalin mo.
Block number 5.
Block number 5.
Still number 5.
Block pa, tas still pa. Block.
Check tumira na
10 second shot clock. Still 66.
Si ano, number 7.
Still 93.
Si 70.
Salas, si Salas. Salas sila 93 ngayon.
Still 90.
Rebound number 7. Still 71.
Still.
Defensive rebound 31. Rebound 32.
Counted. Counted.
Foul. Number 93.
93.
Counted? Hindi.
Hindi. Tatlo na.
Third personal foul. Number 93. Third foul. Third foul. Number 93. Still 93. Rebound number 6.
Uy, uy, uy.
Defensive rebound 32. Foul number 71.
71. Tatlo na rin.
Third personal foul number 71. Third team foul.
Counted.
Foul basket. Foul number 31.
Ano yan?
Ayun yung sa akin. First foul pa lang.
First foul number 31.
Apat na sa akin eh. Hindi po.
10 second shot clock.
Pwede tira eh, no?
5 second shot clock.
Tira ko na yan.
Steal. 32. Defensive rebound, 6 to points.
Tira ko na yan. Pwede yan.
Rex 3-pointer, Rex 3-pointer.
Five second shot clock. Steal. Number 6. 2 points. Timeout. Light.
Paano? Ano?
Hirap naman. Nasayabon tayo ng oras yan.
Sanay ako dun sa ano eh. Hindi rin na nag-ilipit tayo.
Back to the ball game.
Palit player. Tingnan mo, baka pumalit player.
Yun pa rin. Bago alis ka.
Rebound 32. Points. Steal. 7.
Saan? 93.
Foul number 93.
Apat na.
Fourth personal foul. Warning for foul out. Number 93. Penalty.
They are not
Penalty.
the Tones.
Fourth foul. Warning for foul out. Number 93.
Si Mac. Apat. Yo, tatlo.
GG pa.
Ten second shot clock. 5 second shot clock.
Ito,
Foul.
Liga.
Number 71.
Gago, mali.
Hey, Mike.
Paano yun?
Pero,
Hindi na ano kay ano.
Yun na, yun na yung palmo.
Tapat. Na ano
Fourth
ko yun?
personal
Paano
foul.
to?
Number 71. Warning for foul out.
Di ba na ano yun?
Defensive rebound number 6. 2 points.
Play in the game.
Paano kung naano ba yun?
10 seconds shot clock.
Wala mo, ini-X ko na, wala di ba?
5 seconds shot clock. Offensive rebound, 21.
Hindi, okay, nare-record pa.
Offensive rebound, number 5. Rebound, number 7. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds. 2 points.
Warning.
Warning for delay in the game, number 66. And a third quarter.
May warning